I think it's very disrespectful. I think it's rude. I think it's just tacky. That's offensive, and somebody really needs to tell them that. Good morning, my beautiful friends. Happy hump day. It is Wednesday, January 15th. And you see where I am. I am at it. I am working, but I'm in a different room. I'm not in my actual home office today. And it is cold here today. And we need to have somebody come in and seal that window because there's some air seeping in and it's just a little uncomfortable. I have my fireplace in there, but sometimes I like to switch it up, and Layla likes to lay in the bonus room on the couch. So I'm up here today. We had one meeting that was not scheduled. Usually my Wednesdays are just for onboarding and hiring bringing on the new hires and preparing them for new hire orientation. But today was one of those days where we just had to kind of flip the schedule around some. So here we are. But let me tell you, I don't understand people sometimes, especially in human resources. Okay? I work in human resources. I have for almost, 15 years. My background was in finance prior to that, and then I obtained my Master's of Business Administration in Human Resources. It was a lengthy transition process because it is hard to break into human resources. People do say that a lot, and it's true, okay? But anyway, on one of my calls, and this has happened many times, and these are talking about my teammates. For someone who's in human resources and knows better, there are very fine lines here when you discuss certain things. It's just, to me, tacky. I work for a company, though, with a younger population in the human resources department. And from my experience over the last 3.5 years with this company, people just don't know what is inappropriate to say, okay? Case in point, I am a 50-year-old woman, okay? Just turned 50 and I embrace it. I've been there where they have been. But for me, and this comes maybe just with life experiences or, past work experiences, or even your study in certifications for human resources. With that said, my team, the team I work with, my core team, is fairly younger. I would say I'm probably the oldest on the team. They always, and these are females in my core team, always reference 30. Like they're probably around maybe 30-ish or so. But they talk about being old. They're being old. They're getting old. What am I then? I never, and we should never ask someone's age, what year they were born, etc., right? And they don't until this last trip to the headquarters in Seattle, Washington, where my company is located. And we all met for the first time. I'm sidetracking. So here, this is when this person just asked directly, "How old are you?" I didn't like that at all in a professional environment and in human resources. Nonetheless, we shouldn't ask that. And this is coming from a 20-something-year-old, of course. So I won't even go into how I responded to that, but it was just, it gets on my nerves. Not that I don't embrace my age. I embrace 50 like no other. I was actually looking forward to turning 50. I wanted to say goodbye to even the early part of my 40s. Okay, but there were lessons learned there. But guys, that is just a pet peeve of mine. It bothers me. And then lately, it's just been the whole team, all of them. They're all fairly young, and that's okay. That's okay. I think successful organizations need a diverse population of employees, right? But when you say this over and over and over, oh my gosh, that is so old. That's offensive. And somebody really needs to tell them that. I can go on for days with that. But yeah, I'm getting sidetracked. Okay, that'll be another video. But I just needed to say that to my new friends. I needed to vent here for a minute. That just bothers me. Let me know if you've had experiences like that, or how you take it, or does it affect you at all? There's so many things, which will be another video, that I could give two F's about. Okay, this one right here it just bothers me to the core, because I think it's very disrespectful. I think it's rude. I think it's just tacky, me personally. But anyway, I just got off one of my calls, and I really want to come out of this sweater, honey, and put on a sweatshirt and finish the day. But we're gonna do this. Well, what time is it? It's 12:15. It's already afternoon, and I have not had my coffee. But y'all, today is hiring day, so I'm going to be very busy with that shortly into both systems. So I know I need to tackle two unfortunate calls, because these characters are not moving forward. It's never a dull moment in my job, y'all.
Never a dull moment.
Okay. But I just wanted to hop on and say that. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll be back soon. I had to go get my readers. One thing for sure, at 50, my readers are a must, okay? I can't see anything, honey, up close, okay? I can see okay far away with contacts, though, and I wear contacts most of the time. But anyway, guys, as I was stating, honey, thank y'all for listening, because sometimes I just need to vent, and it's so good to have a community that I can do that with. I know my husband hears enough of it. But for the most part, I try to stay optimistic. I'm a very positive person, but I am very direct too. I don't know if you're into the astrological signs and the meanings behind those or not, but I know for me, I'm a Scorpio, and I am a true Scorpio. So everything that's said about the Scorpio pretty much is true, especially with us being direct and very intuitive. I am doing nothing here but about to hire. We're having leftovers for dinner. That chili was on fire, okay? It was so good. Even my husband's like, this chili is fire. And it's nothing different I did, but it was good. I think it just hit the spot. It is cold here. We're supposed to get down to 3 degrees sometime this weekend for a low, and that is very cold for us. So other than that, guys, I'm trying to think if I'm going to take you along, or I may just end it here. I really just wanted to come on and chat with you. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Tria, and I hope you'll join the family. Y'all, also, will you please pay attention to my community tab, because I will update there periodically, and maybe even open some polls just to see what you would like to see of me on this channel. Maybe a Q&A session or something. So any suggestions would be awesome. So I hope you will do that for me. And also subscribe if you're inclined. If you enjoy my channel, you will love it in the future. I hope you do subscribe, and I hope you do come back. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future uploads, and hit that like button. It's not costing you anything. If you're still here, I guess you like it. But anyway, guys, I hope you have a great rest of your day. And if I don't jump back on a little later, I'll see you in the next vlog. Be blessed. Mwah. Bye.